Hello, and welcome to the Biomass Magazine podcast. I'm your host, Anna Simet. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we kick off our panel preview series for the International Biomass Conference and Expo being held in Atlanta, March 18th through the 20th. So we are about 6 weeks out. And for these podcasts, we'll be chatting with some of our speakers to give listeners some sneak peeks of the presentations that we have coming to the show. Today, I have with me Eric Chase from Chase Nedrow Industries. Eric, hello. Welcome, and thanks for coming on the podcast.
Well, thank you very much for having me. Thank you.
You bet. So let's begin by having you tell us a bit about Chase Nedrow Industries and what the company does, and then what your role is there.
Great. So Chase Nedrow Industries was founded in 1980 by Jim Chase, and what he did was taking his refractory experience starting at Harbis & Walker International and tailoring that to the foundry applications and steel applications that we had in our backyard in Metro Detroit. So really what he did, serving industry and what better opportunities he could bring to applications. We've then adapted that with the mindset of serving industry and making things better. What is out there, what technology is out there, and how do we bring these solutions to our customers? So what we've done is we've partnered with the best partners out there in the country and in the world and bringing solution-oriented mindset to these customers. So my role is president. I've been in my role for 4 years now, and we've been partnered with EmaShield high emissivity coatings since 2015.
Okay, so your presentation, I saw it, sounds super interesting and awesome. From space to biomass, NASA technology boosting energy efficiency and cutting carbon intensity. And so this correlates with the fact that EmaShield's origins trace back to NASA's space exploration research. Can you share how this technology has been adapted to transform industrial heating applications?
Absolutely. We owe the improvements from Dr. Olver and his team at EmaShield Incorporated. Dr. Olver approached NASA with the intent to take their technology and adapt it to industrial applications to increase heat transfer, make substrates last longer, and lower carbon emissions. He did such a wonderful job taking their technology and licensing it for industrial applications. He was the 85th inductee to the Space Technology Hall of Fame, which is no small feat. EmaShield has done this and designed their proprietary high emissivity coating technology with a thermal coefficient and expansion of the substrates in mind, and what they're intended to bond with. So there's over 50 coatings and intended for a myriad of industries on many applications. They made the HEC bond with the substrate that it's coated with and improved heat transfer and surface adherence. And we have over 50 coatings from numerous industries on numerous substrates. And this is the product that furnace operators are looking for.
Okay. So refractory failure, heat loss, inefficient combustion, these are all common challenges in high temperature industries. How do EmaShield's coatings and Chase Nedrow's refractory expertise work together to overcome these obstacles?
Yes, that's a great question. Thank you. Both CNI and EI are based offerings on years of industrial knowledge and experience. We work with the best companies out there that serve industry. Ours are through engineering firms, the best refractory partners, and the best installers out there. EmaShield, with their wealth of knowledge from the HPI, CPI, steel foundry, biofuels, biomass industries, we're really improving this and taking the technology that's been out there. Refractory and these metal applications that these furnaces are designed around have been engineered and have been tried and true for a very long time. So what EmaShield is doing is taking these models that are already out there, improving the emissivity by coating everything, and making the furnace operate more efficiently, at sometimes lower temperatures, making everything last longer, getting a higher heat transfer, making the furnace operate more efficiently, and then also getting a more complete burn out of the fuel type that's designed around to make this furnace operate.
Okay. So Eric, in biomass and biofuels, performance and sustainability are critical. What specific advantages do EmaShield coatings bring to biomass facilities? And then what about the real world impact?
Great. So EmaShield will make your furnace improve through higher heat transfer, increase run times, and reduce maintenance. We extend metal and refractory life. We improved combustion of biomass, feedstock, and fuel types. We reduce air emissions, leading to lower carbon footprint. and we increase steam produced per ton of biomass combusted. So what this does is improving how that furnace operates is going to result in all of these outcomes.
Okay, thanks. With increasing regulations around emissions and energy consumption, companies are under more pressure than ever to adopt greener technologies. How are EmaShield and Chase Nedrow helping industries not only meet but exceed these sustainability goals?
Yes, that's a good one. Thank you. It's one thing as an installer and a distributor and a partner of a technology to say, yeah, our product can help you with that, and we're the ones that you want to talk to. Then let the findings report themselves. What EmaShield and Chase Nedrow has done as partners is considered that this is an engineered solution. Operators have inputs, outputs, and parameters in which they have to operate their furnaces on. We partner with the best engineering firms and the customers to take their data and show these results. That's why we're able to speak with such certainty on the benefits of EmaShield.
Okay. So last question I have. Both of your companies work across a wide range of industries. Where do you see the greatest opportunities for growth and innovation in high temperature applications over the next few years? And then are there any new developments or emerging markets that you're particularly excited about?
Yes, we're very much excited for 2025. A lot of growth opportunities. Especially with the uncertainty of fuel sourcing, the dynamic day-to-day lives that we lead. Lowering the cost to run furnaces, whether petrochemical, steel, foundry, biofuels, heat treat, or even the local crematory operator. Furnace operators are looking for out-of-the-box strategies to improve production while simultaneously lowering cost. Whether fuel, downtime, or maintenance cost, EmaShield is continuously developing their coatings, many of which are on their third or fourth iteration. We're not standing idly by. Each new application or installation is viewed with a continuous improvement mindset, delivering more and better results to our furnace operator partners. We've opened new offices to better suit the needs of our customer base, always looking to expand everything we can do, and also our installer partner network. We're making strong advancements across industries and bringing more competitive operations to the end user. With the advent of our distributorship partnership, Chase Nedrow Industries is looking for more installer partners that can bring this technology to the customers they're currently servicing. We've opened new offices this year with the goal of training and developing the certified installer partners and bringing this technology to more users. Until then, we will continue our work with the partnerships we've built and the long-lasting things that we're working on together.
All right, Eric. Well, I certainly look forward to your presentation at the show. Is there anything else that you want to add before we wrap things up?
That is all. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for coming on the podcast. And to our listeners, catch Eric's presentation on Wednesday, March 19th at 1 p.m. in Track 2, Biomass Power and Thermal under panel Biomass Processing Solutions for Lowering Emissions and Boosting Efficiency. You can learn more about the event at biomassconference.com. That includes accessing the agenda, registering, or learning more. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you at the show. Until next time.